Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. More signs of US inflation creeping higher. Analysis http ntvforex.com News ID 6A3A77 2541 PM USD JPY H1 The US CPI report beat estimates with August gains of 0.4% for both the headline and the core, following July gains of 0.6% for both, and respective June gains of 0.6% and 0.2%. The August CPI headline and core price gains rounded up from 0.370% and 0.385% respectively. The initial downside demand shock for prices has now been overrun by the boost from growing supply constraints, as evident with the huge 5.4% used car price surge after a 2.3% July gain, and a 0.6% apparel price rise that left a third consecutive big gain. On a moving average basis, CPI headline and core gains will soon be turning higher, after a downdraft into the pandemic. We have 6-month average price gains of 0.042% for the headline and 0.105% for the core that both still undershoot respective 12-month average gains of 0.110% and 0.143%, though the 6-month measures are rising quickly. For the August PCE chain price figures, we expect gains of 0.3% for the headline and 0.4% for the core. This would leave a headline rise in the YY metric to 1.2% from 1.0%, alongside a rise in the YY PCE core metric to 1.5% from 1.3%. The YY PCE chain price gains in Q4 should sit near 1.3% for the headline and 1.7% for the core. We expect August consumption gains of 0.9% for the nominal measure and 0.6% for the real measure, which correspond to estimated August retail sales gains of 1.2% for both the headline and ex-auto measures. USD-JP topped at 106.25 earlier, and continues to track lower, following the CPI print. The pair have breached the daily pivot and 200-hour moving average at 106.12 and come with 2 pips of the day low at 106.07, from earlier in the Asian session. Below sits the key 106.00 and the S1 level at 105.95. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://mt5.expert.advisors.